I'm Mark Contino. I'm the Vice President of Global Marketing, as Stacy mentioned. Joined here with my good friend, Mr. Lodge. He's our Senior Vice President. He's our General Manager of our Construction Business Unit. So what I'm going to talk about is a little bit different than you normally get at a World of Concrete or any other major trade show press conference. Usually when we're up here talking, we're talking about technology. Topcon's a technology company. We're talking about new solutions, that new gadget, what's going to make more money and make our customers more efficient and more productive. Well, today I'm going to talk about something a little bit different, and that's really how we reach our customers and something different in the Topcon world. Over the course of the last 10 years or so, Topcon has acquired ownership of several different local dealerships around the northeast of the United States. Started with the acquisition of Positioning Solutions Company that had 5 locations, a couple of locations in Illinois, Indiana, Michigan, and lower Wisconsin. And then as time went on, we acquired Bunce Positioning in the Northeast, in the New England states, with 3 locations. Bunce had also acquired a company called Mid-Atlantic Positioning down in Maryland. So that became part of the Topcon family. And then the most recent was Productivity Products and Services out of Saxonburg, Pennsylvania. So here we were with all of these 10 locations, 4 different dealer organizations, and it had several challenges along with that. Being a technology manufacturer, we had 4 separate dealer organizations that were run as independent organizations, 10 different locations, but what we were lacking was any sense of a cohesive message or a cohesive brand, or policies that would work with customers as maybe a major engineering or construction firm would go from one location to the other. They may get a different level of service, they might get a different level of pricing, rental rates, whatever it happens to be from location to location. And then different promotional tools. We were duplicating efforts when it came to things like a website or a catalog or all those marketing materials that we needed. So today I'm proud to announce that all 10 locations are now under one brand called the TopconSolutionsStore. And what this brings is now a bunch of synergies that overcome many of the challenges that I was just mentioning. So obviously we have one common brand. It was purposeful that we put the Topcon name in that brand. A well-established brand out with customers, a brand that signifies quality and commitment to our customers and our solutions. It's going to allow us one common promotion and marketing message that can be shared now through multiple states and multiple locations. One website. Probably the biggest thing in our business and what directly impacts our customers is how we take care of them and how we support them. So now, with everyone under one organization and one brand, there'll be shared technical resources that can be shared among all of the locations for end users and our OEM partners. We have our OEM partners that are relying on Topcon to provide not only technology, but also another layer of support that's going to support our technology embedded in their machines. So the Topcon Solutions Store is going to go a long way in supporting our OEM partners in those areas where we have retail facilities. Shared inventory model, so we can share products if one store is out of something and a customer in another location needs it. It's much easier to have common inventory. Shared business infrastructure, so with new technologies that are coming out. And they're coming at a furious pace. You are all well aware of that. You've probably sat in a lot of press conferences this week that are seeing all new technologies coming out. Just from Topcon, we've got laser scanning and drones and automated painting systems and all kinds of things in our booth. And for our dealers out there, whether they're owned by the manufacturer or independently owned, it's very difficult for them to maintain all the expertise and keep all the bodies in all of those 10 locations. So now if somebody walks through the door at one of the locations that may not have, for example, a specialist on drone technology, but they want to learn about it, we can get that specialist somewhere inside the TopCon Solution Store network to help out. So that it's going to allow us to be much more efficient and effective of supporting new technologies and new markets, from BIM to the drone technology to anything else that we can think of. 10 locations all working together, and an expandable business model. If we had new locations come online, we could bring them into the model of the solution store and provide that high level of quality. So once again, the brand is TopCon Solution Store, providing a direct tie into the TopCon brand. Each location is a full-service TopCon location. And it's important because it's not just for the construction market. There are other retail brands out there that are focused in one segment of the market or another. When you talk about the TopCon Solution Store, it's the TopCon solution. And if you've been to our booth and you've seen the technology that TopCon has, all the way from initial topo and mapping, all the way through the finish of a project, that solution store is not only going to have the products, but the expertise to take care of our customers. There'll be new local and national promotion. We're going to be promoting it as the TopCon Solution Store as a new entity in the retail side of the business. But we're also going to make sure that our customers understand they are brick and mortar locations. They are a place where you can walk through the door when you have a product that you dropped your laser and you need it fixed, or whatever that happens to be. You need supplies. You need to rent a new piece of equipment on a project that needs some more efficiency on it. So, although we're branding this as a national organization, as TopCon Solution Store, it's still important that it is a local operation. Sales and those customer relationships are done locally, and we will continue to give that the utmost importance. So very excited. This is an exciting new thing for TopCon, and we're excited at what this is going to mean to our customers, both end users and our OEM partners.